Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be sort of like where I've been kind of video. So I've been very busy, very busy. I just came back from overseas, as you saw. Well, not just, it's been a while, but I did come back from overseas, not recently. Before that, just working on uni and work and everything. I have recently just graduated, so it's really exciting days for me that I've graduated. And yeah, I've just been really working and I haven't had time, you know, I work a lot of hours. Yeah, my life is just like but yeah, I just wanted to just come out and just speak to you and say that I'm back. I'm going to do more videos and I want to know what you guys want to see. Just whatever you guys like to see, whatever movies, whatever kinds of videos you want to see, just comment it down below. I do have an Instagram as well that you can go and look at as well. I've got the few things that I post there and here and there as well. But yeah, just let me know what you guys want to see. I'm back. I'm going to try to start doing videos. I'm not going to promise every week, but I'm going to try to do a video every week. I just want to say that I'm sort of back. I'm going to try my best to do as much as I can, as many videos as I can. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye!